Hi everyone! I'm Arika. Today I'll show you how to grow delicious carrots at home. Let's go! First, fill a deep pot with soft, loose soil. Let's go! Carrots need plenty of room to grow straight. First, now sow the carrot seeds about half a centimeter deep. And cover them gently with soil. Water gently every day to keep the soil moist. But don't make it soggy. Place your pot where it gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Soon you'll see beautiful green leaves. After about 70 to 90 days, your carrots are ready to harvest. Just pull them out gently. Wasn't that easy? Try growing your own carrots at home. Follow our balcony garden for more fun gardening adventures. Bye!